He's learned to snowboard! Let's go! Okay, I think we're ready. We're good to go. You can introduce yourselves if you want. You don't have to.
What up, YouTube?
It's your boy.
Boy. Play the fucking dubstep intro. Wow.
Okay, well, off you go. Let's see what you got. Let's see what both of you got. This is your first run?
Yeah, we haven't
Okay.
just got here. We even said, oh, I hope we can get a first run without anyone seeing us.
Wow. Happy review, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, sick skills.
Were you the only one on the team then?
He was on this board while I had my other board. Yeah. On snowboard.
Did you bring our skis?
No.
Oh.
Come on.
Barely bring my skis.
Let's chat more snowboard. Let's go. I want to see what you got. Don't worry, Ray. You look so much better than that. Alright.
This is my favorite snowboarder activity. I like to sit in the middle.
So, your biggest thing. Do you want the help or no?
No, I know. I want help.
Okay. You're on your heel side. It's not the worst place to be, but to get to your toe side, you just do that. It needs to be that. Yeah.
Okay.
So just have a look at my body, just as I do like some shitty normal turns.
Check out his ass when he goes
Check
down,
out his booty. And here, push. Push. And push. Not. Let's see if he worked. Okay, push those hips forward. Forward, more, thrust.
Thrust that shit, son.
I mean, it's better already. Yeah, there you go. Look at the line. So now that you're on that side, you don't have to lean as much. That's it. Yeah. Oh my God. Like in the nicest. Because this isn't a lesson. When you were doing it before, you looked like this, trying to. But now, yeah, that's it, yeah.
I was just like inclining.
Then you can start doing jumps and stuff. You can do that. Lot of speed, and then you're trying to get your which are you right foot forward? Your left foot forward.
Yeah.
So you're around the wrong way, yeah?
Right now, yeah.
Okay, cool. So you're trying to get your right knee to touch the snow. So you're here, and as you push, as you get like low enough, your hand will just touch it. Need a little bit of speed to do it, but. Well, I guess we're going that way because he's already gone down. Or just better. Help, help, help. He's coming! He's coming! Let's go, baby! Woo! Do you want some help as well? I'm gonna do some. Yeah? So if you stay still for a sec, and if you can let me around this way. So this hand.
Okay.
Okay, if I draw a line in here, that hand has to stay in there.
Okay.
I don't care where it is,
Not
it can't go here.
Okay.
Because what happens is you turn that way with your top half, and then your bottom half catches up. It's called counter rotation. It's good for tricks. It's not really good for initiating really nice snappy turns.
Okay.
So what happens is that stays in there.
Okay.
Okay, just touch on the hip, is that okay?
Yeah.
And then your hip is going to go that way to turn the board, and that's going to stay in there.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
Every time it goes like this, that's bad. Okay, that's the only thing. That's the only thing you're gonna mess around with. But yeah, up to you. If you want to do a red, you can do a red.
Have you done Wall Street?
Yeah, we've done pretty much everything on this side.
Okay.
That's a great photo. It looks like he's been like AI generated in front of it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He is.
Yeah, he is. Who are you talking to?
You got those new smart goggles, bro.
Yeah.
Do the red?
Yeah, we can. It's not that steep. It's bad. It's okay. The snow's more forgiving. It's no worse than that.
Yeah, I did it.
No worse than that. So again, that left hand's got to stay in here.
Oh,
Because sometimes you do this. It's got to stay in here. Here. And here. It can almost reach towards your binding. So it can reach in here. And it can reach in here. And then reach in here. He's down, he gets sprayed. Feels a little bit uncomfortable?
Yeah.
You gotta use your hips instead of your upper body, but yeah, try. Yeah. So if you fall down, you get sprayed. It's just a snowboarder rule. Yeah, cool. A Euro car?
So it's closed for what, an hour?
Apparently these ones are staying open, so they're staying open, they're staying open. Here he comes. The greatest snowboarder